Anderson, a career 38% three-point shooter. Not that much of a novelty anymore. D'Antoni with great success in Phoenix. And ironically, his lone rookie game was against Houston when he broke his foot in. Great offensive player. Mozgov with him. These two teams like to play a lot of high possession games, Mark. That's hard. Rockets were 41 and 41 last year. Were wide open when the Lakers signed Mozgov to that lucrative free agent contract. McYoung had some disagreements that carried off the court last year. Still pretty versatile for a guy his size in terms of being able to start the break.
Is that Clint Capella is a center that they feel comfortable at $1.3 million this season
of this Rockets team, albeit it's still very early. And A stepping out and knocking down the mid-range on any team.
Go through a little bit of adversity.
It looks like the way it used to be as Russell next quarter. It's 22-19. Houston with the lead. Randall kicks it out to Russell.
I think that's the right decision when you want
Russell. This franchise minus Kobe Bryant. First time in 21 years. A.J. McDaniel.
that's Byron Scott's old mentality.
No, it's Russell's fault also. There's enough playing to go around. Cam in much better shape than he did at the beginning of last season. Capella up high for the Bruins ball game. Harden crosses up Julius Randle. You months of fun. Here's Brandon Ingram from downtown. Harden's back the other way. Good hit ahead to Capella. The Rockets have not committed a turnover here in the first quarter. Up high. Capella screen. Boy, Clint Capella is filling. Williams, 3 seconds to go. He gets buckets. Tyler Anderson, the ball game during the break, hands it off to Brewer of Los Angeles. Bryant jerseys all around. Gordon on the drive for the Lakers.
You didn't realize why he's an all-time great, and it speeds up the process for you to become a good or great player.
Eric Gordon misfiring. Capella and one.
Watching the game basketball, not just anything else.
On the line. Eric Gordon on the drive and the slam with the left. Eric Gordon on the move. Play a little boy ball.
Gotta get back and build a wall. Check the paint.
Mozgov inside with an easy slam and won't lay down. He's the first free agent they signed. He's earned that check tonight. Words from the respective coaching staff. Anderson from downtown. Russell had it knocked away. Houston with numbers of 2-on-1. Great time by Nene. Randall working against Ryan Anderson. Went right to work and scores. Brazil played with the Brazilian national team this past summer. It's Anderson and his Myers. He called him the youngest coach in the NBA as a reason not to. Therein lies one of the blemishes as Randall will have a chance for the three-point play. On top of the pick and roll with Capella. Gordon for three. Got it.
59 points and a half. You gotta be better.
Capella returner might be thinking Indiana to do big things this year in the East, Marcus. Eric Gordon hits.
I think he's as good as you get in a small forward position, but that's a team.
Behind the screen, Young firing. Randall. Nice drive and kick by Randall. Guys our age, we're starting to watch the NBA. Gordon on the drive. And a sweeper. Who's going to let me sneak that our age by the way? Ready to go? Up high and Capella.
Chance to watch Mike and Jeff.
They run Anderson off the three-point line. Settles for the long two. Somebody eat you up. Randall with the crossover. Nice move, but
many times I watched that game. But he deserves an opportunity. He's to the high level. Had a very good year for the Sixers a couple of years ago.
Comes within two. Clarkson with a game show and go. Oh, Clarkson.
It doesn't hurt to take a moment. Now he can return the favor because he's got a lot to be proud of.
Tied up. Here's Clarkson with 5 to go. Gotta get to work here in a hurry. Clarkson. Yes. Brewer. Nice look inside and one. 17 seconds to go in the period.
They break at the time Ron Artest to play. This guy picked me up full court. I couldn't move.
That's not the guy that you want to see sticking you at the other end, right? The jumper. Decker with an athletic move. Really good lottery pick. Sam Decker being healthy and ready to go this year. Had a good summer. Nash Jr. 7 on the shot clock. Nice lead inside, and Capella. Is he perhaps thinking big picture, 82 games, and maybe not wearing out the tread on his back?
As a former player and a former coach, you can get off days as Anderson knocks down the layup.
Ryan Anderson calling for the ball. He's got a mismatch. There goes that Jordan guy. See if the Lakers can get some stops now. Harden on the drive. And the layup. Anderson long to take the lead on a 3. Capella by Nick Young. He's one of the youngest teams in the league. 5 on the shot clock. Russell. Great hit by Lou Ding. On top. On the blow by Randall. Got a piece of it. Well defended by Julius Randall. At the other end. And A blocked it. See what they run here. Clarkson with a stare down. What a second. Ariza. And A banks it home. Former starter igniting these Lakers off the bench. Young missed everything. He's there. Jordan Clarkson. Clarkson knocked it loose. Laker ball. 6 on the shot clock. 45.2 to go. Anderson. Missed everything. Carelessly. Lost it.
You got to be smarter than that. Bring the basketball out.
Gordon